What if you could break free from the daily grind, unlock true financial freedom, and live the life you've always dreamed of? Traveling the world, retiring early, or simply never worrying about money again. Imagine waking up, sipping your morning coffee, and watching profits roll in from a system that works for you in just 30 minutes a day. Welcome to Trend Flow Formula, the AI-powered crypto trading system that's revolutionizing how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. No experience required. This isn't about complicated businesses or endless hustling. It's a simple 3-step process. Wait for the profit pattern, place your trade, and get back to living your life. Powered by cutting-edge machine learning, it spots explosive market opportunities before the crowd, giving you an unfair advantage in the fast-moving crypto world. You can practice risk-free with virtual funds, so you're fully confident before risking a dime. Whether you want extra income to fund your passions or long-term wealth to secure your family's future, this system scales to your goals, giving you total time freedom. Plus, you'll join an exclusive Discord community with live expert Q&A sessions to guide you every step. Hundreds are already using Trend Flow Formula to transform their lives. Some are paying off debts, others are traveling the globe, and many are building generational wealth. Don't let another day slip by watching others claim the freedom you deserve. The crypto market never sleeps, and with this 5-day live masterclass, you'll learn the one skill that can't be taken away no matter what the economy does. This is your moment to escape the 9-to-5, ditch the stress, and build a future where you call the shots. Act now before it's too late. Secure your spot in the Trend Flow Formula Masterclass with the link in the first comment and start your journey to financial independence today.